Here I have CAT S41, and let me show you how to use the battery saver mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Here you have to use the upper bar, and if you would like to quickly switch on the battery saver, let's use the battery icon. Here you've got the battery usage, tap on battery saver, and let's enable this feature right here. So you can simply enable or disable the battery saver right here, or you can also have access to a battery saver by using the settings list. Scroll down, and right here you can choose the battery. Here you've got more battery information. You can, for example, show the battery percentage right here on the screen, or you can choose on battery saver right here. So to help improve the battery life, battery saver reduces your device performance and limits vibrations, location services, and most background data. Here you can also enable or disable battery saver, or you can set some automatic rules. For example, you can switch on battery saver when you have the 5% of the battery or 15% of the battery. So that's it. You can go back and start using your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.